Hello everyone, what's up? I hope that everyone is fit and fine. I am also doing great. I think already you can understand where am I now. I am now in my village. Our university is closed because of winter vacation. At the same time, vacation for our national election. So nowadays I spend my time in my village. Today I am in front of camera because I want to share one of my experience with you. From the very beginning of my life, I was very much curious about different types of electrical devices, and when I was in high school level, at that time I could realize some of my friends who belongs to a higher class family, or you can say upper middle class family, they started using several types of devices like a smartphone, tab, laptop and computer and such type of devices. But as I am from middle class family, I never ever got such amount of handsome money to spend for this type of smart device. But I dreamed for a smartphone, especially Android mobile phone. At that time Android was very much popular among our young generation. So I was waiting for a good time. And when I got the talentful scholarship in class 8 and promoted into class 9, at that time for the first time I get a huge amount of money for my scholarship, and somehow I could manage my sisters and my parents, and from there I get maybe 2,000 to 3,000 taka. And with all of this money I went to Dhaka city. There I had a relatives, and with the help of my that relatives, for the first time I purchased my first smartphone, which is Symphony V80. I still remember the name because before selecting that mobile I researched a lot that within this price range which mobile will be the best for me. And after a lot of research, after a lot of thinking, then I could able to select that mobile. And as I was a high school level student at that time, just like any other normal student, I immediately after getting that smartphone, I installed several types of games and several types of other apps, like in game segment, Temple Run, motor racing, car racing, Talking Tom and Subway Surfer. They are very much popular among the young students like me. So I was also the same. That is how I started using my first smartphone. But after that, little by little, I could realize that okay, I have to learn so many things, and as I had a great attraction towards technology, technological devices, technological advancement, different types of recent discovery. So I went to some popular blogs like TechTunes, Tech City and such type of things, and from there I read several types of technological articles. From there, for the first time, I can learn about computer programming and using computer programming, which types of activities I can do, so such type of things. And I was very much attracted with this. That's why using my mobile phone for the first time I have started learning C programming, and believe it or not, it was very much exciting moment. And as I have learned computer programming in class 9 and class 10, for this reason in my inter life, when I was in HSC level, at the time I did not have to survive for computer programming related chapter, because I learned the basic of C programming and the basic of HTML and such type of things. So that is the experience related to my first smartphone. I think all of you enjoyed this video. This is very interesting that a poor village guy started talking in front of camera and you are watching this video. This is very appreciating. I obviously appreciate that. And I wish you a best of luck. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.